Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of your wardrobe being cluttered and unfolded and creased? Sari and suits introducing the ultimate wedding gifting solution, the Sari suits packaging organizing for wardrobe storage, available on Amazon finds. This innovative organizers is designed to keep your sari and suits neatly folded and protected, making it a perfect gift for any bride and groom. The Sari suit packaging organizer feature a spacious main compartment that can hold multiple saris or suits, ensuring they stay wrinkles free. It also has a clear front panel and allowing you to easily see what's inside without having to unzip and organizer. Plus the durable and material and sturdy zipper make it ideal for long-term storage. With its slick and compact design, this organizer fits perfectly into any wardrobe, maximizing the space and keeping your sari and suit organized and easily accessible. And no more wasting time searching for that perfect outfits for a special occasion. Simply grab the organizer and find your outfit in second. Guys, whether you are bride, groom or looking for a throughout wedding gift, the Sari suit packaging organizer is a game changer. So why wait? Head over to Amazon finds and order today. Your wardrobe will thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing product and gifting ideas. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.